Hello there. Hi. Made a fun hat. Why not wear it? I made this hat on TikTok. I need TikTok now. Everyone does TikTok. Do I advertise it? I don't care. Let's get on topic. You know what? It's been a while. For today's video, something that's always just kind of bugged me is that my bathroom doesn't have a window. Today I'm going to fix that by painting a window on, because that fixes stuff. Painting the cheap way out. I'm going to take you with me now. Hi there. I've also got to carry the mic. We're going totally professional. Hi, cat. There's a cat. We're going upstairs, and this is my bathroom. Is it clean? Yeah, it's clean, kind of. Cat, no. This is my bathroom, complete with cat. Yeah, that is the wall we are going to paint. Da-da. And I'm going to regret this. You know, DIY. Why are we doing this? You want a bit more? Do any of your cats like water? Like, he will just sit in the bathtub all day. The main reason I think I might regret this is because the wall is actually kind of high set, and I know to paint it, it's just gonna require a lot of arm strength today. It's gonna hurt, basically. Painful but fun. Why am I going back downstairs? I need paint, that's why. I have planned out my design, and I'm going to use some masking tape to mask it off. The cat, he's come back. He's digging in the bathtub currently, as pets do. I'm not turning that back on for you right now.
If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. Do you remember what I said last time we met?
Let me adjust you up.
Would you like to move a little closer now? I'd like to be as close to you as I can get. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment, I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you got the time, I'd like to stay a while. I'd like to fall asleep beside you on your bed. If I could stop the time, I sure would. In this moment, I really wish I could. Do you feel the same way as I do? The feeling of just knowing that I love you. If you still got the time, I'd like to stick around. I'll make some coffee, let's take a walk down to the sea. As the sun goes down, we light a fireplace, and we can stay as long as we want to, you and me. If I could stop the time, I surely would. In this moment, I really wish I could. I hope you're feeling the same way as I do. The feeling of just knowing that I love you.
I like my window. It's good, and it's complete with cat. I painted a frame, and then I painted inside the frame, and then I repainted the frame. Yay. What am I doing? I'm not sure what I'm going for with the shot. Thank you for watching. I do hope you enjoyed it. Watch me on TikTok, because that's most likely where I'm gonna be every day now. Godspeed, and yeah, mine's. Godspeed. That's us done. Goodbye. Be back to your favorite spot. Oh, there's this. That's what he wants. By the way, he's not just randomly attacking me. Are you? Stop. Stop. That's the camera. Stop. My YouTube channel.